Yo, what's up? So, day number 7, back on the sim account. Did a little bit of trading before work this morning. I always leave the DOMs open on my screen overnight because I like to see the way the volume distributed in the overnight session. Even if I'm not trading in the morning, just kind of like to keep tabs on the market. But saw some really volatile order flow and saw some really good setups, so decided to place a couple trades. I did not have my screen recording for the first few trades, so we're not going to see those. But yeah, had a few really good entries and managed my trades really well. So yeah, I don't usually trade in the morning before work, but I just couldn't pass up the opportunity, and yeah, it was a good decision. But you won't hear me talking a lot, not a lot of commentary because it was pretty early and I was trying to be quiet. But yeah, let's get into it.
Order filled. Stop filled. Order filled. Stop filled. Order filled.
Starting to see them aggressively loading on the bid down here, so we might look to get out. They just blew through it. This is showing these trades are outside of the bid on the offer on the tape, which is a sign of aggression. We're also seeing a lot of sweeping through price levels. Okay, we're gonna take that.
Stop filled.
We could try to take this back to the upside, but with the volatility and that excessive amount of selling that just came in, we're not. We're gonna take what little profits we made on that trade and just see what happens. Hey, they're gonna run it down to the lows again. We're seeing, yeah, aggressive pulling off the bid.
Order filled.
See if we can trade through the 16 on the bid. We did. We just blew through it with some aggression from the sellers. Seeing aggression from the sellers on the tape. Buyers stepping back in kind of aggressively down here though. When they're pulling off the offer, that's not a good sign. Okay, they're loading back on the offer. Hammering it into the bid, but buyer's not letting it through and he's showing big signs of aggression. But they couldn't hold it up. We're gonna take this break even. And buyer stepped in pretty aggressively down here with 7 on the bid. We're gonna take profit. We'll look for this last big push here. Pretty aggressive selling coming on the tape. I might try to take it to or take profit. Okay, real aggressive reloading on the bid, but they still chewed through it. We're gonna take profit. They just loaded 20 lots on the bid. Reloaded
Stop filled.
Lots. And then they pulled off the offer and buying this could have been them taking profits from all the shorts too. Shorts getting stopped out. But yeah, we just capitalized off some of that aggressive selling coming in, breaking through some key price levels and got a pretty big push to the downside. Tempted to try to take this back up, but we're not going to do that. We're just going to wait for the next setup to come to us because we've already missed this one. Yeah. So that's key. Be patient and wait for the next trade to come to us. Don't chase. Do not chase. Let it come to you. Let the next one come.